Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y9s and the Samsung Galaxy A51. A51 comes with a Exynos 9611 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, while the Huawei Y9s comes with a Huawei Kirin 710F processor with a 6 GB of RAM. And A51 comes with a quad cameras on the back versus a triple cameras on the Huawei Y9s. In this video, I'm gonna show you how much a difference between the A51 and the Huawei Y9s, because A51 is much expensive phone than the Huawei Y9s. So I am also interested to see how much a difference between the A51 and the Y9s in head-to-head speed test battle. Let's get right into it. So like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And A51 is costing around 54,000 PKR in Pakistan market, while the Y9s is costing around 44,000 PKR in Pakistan market. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. You can see Huawei Y9s is faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A51, now it is also done. About 2 or 3 second difference there, not a huge difference. And both phones comes with a full HD display, but we have a LCD display versus a Super AMOLED display on the A51, which is also a Infinity OLED display, hole punch display, versus a Ultra OLED display, Ultra full view display with no notch, no hole on the front. So let's see the app's opening speed. Like always, everything is closed up in the background, and one thing I'm gonna tell you that Samsung Galaxy A51 is running on Android 10, and you can see, while the Y9s is running on Android 9. We have a Android with One UI 2.0 on the A51, so little bit difference in the software version as well. So everything is closed up in the background, and you can see. And we're gonna start off by basic stuff, phone dialer, and you can see that is faster on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. So opening up the settings, and again faster on the Y9s, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. A51 comes with a very smooth animation versus a very fast animation on the Y9s. So opening up the My Files on both phones, and again same result, faster little bit on the Y9s. A51 is right behind, so opening up the calculator, again same result, A51 is right behind. So opening some more application, and we have the calendar, faster again on the Y9s, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. So, and you can see system based application that is faster on the Y9s because it has a fast animation, while the A51 comes with a very smooth animation. So opening up my clock, faster on the Y9s, followed by the Huawei Samsung Galaxy A51. So opening up the YouTube, and you can see that was about the same, maybe Y9s is a little bit faster there. So let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Boom. And let's see, and you can see Huawei Y9s is done, while the A51 it is also done, about 1 second difference there. So opening up the Subway Surfer, and you can see faster on the Y9s, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. A51 is right behind, not a huge difference there. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and you can see, and this time Samsung Galaxy A51 is looks like faster. Yes, it is little bit faster there than the Samsung Galaxy A51, and you can see now the Huawei Y9s is also done, very small difference there. So last I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones, faster on the Y9s, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus a Google Chrome on the Y9s. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and Huawei Y9s is faster there, while the A51 now it is also done. Again, scrolling is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Next on the list is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website, and let's see which one is perform better in the internet browsing speed. And you can see Y9s is open the website first, and it is also finished up faster than the Samsung Galaxy A51, and now A51 is also done. So let's see the scrolling on both phones, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever on both phones. Both phones perform really good in the internet browsing speed. So last on the list we have the RAM management, and both phones comes with a 6 GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is better in the RAM management performance. Phone dialer, no refresh on the both phones. We have settings, again no refresh, and my files, again no refresh. Both phones perform good in the RAM management. And Exynos 9611 chipset versus a Huawei 710F. And you can see so far both phones perform really good in the RAM management. You don't have any problem regarding the RAM management performance. Candy Crush is also not refresh on both phones. Very interesting result. It also very good result on both phones. Subway Surfer is also not refresh. Let's see Temper Run 2, no refresh. And last, we are back to the internet browser where we left. And guys, you can see that overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Huawei Y9s. Very shocking result that we see in this video. A51 is right behind to the Huawei Y9s. Overall I have to say the cameras is much better on the A51 because it has a good software optimization on the A51, while the Y9s is perform good in the RAM management. As well as the Samsung Galaxy A51, we have a quad cameras versus a triple cameras on the Y9s. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Huawei Y9s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see regarding the A51. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.